Good morning. So here is a lovely little part exchange. So this is a Toyota Yaris hybrid. It's a 1500 petrol, obviously with electric powered. Okay, so it's electric and petrol, self-charging hybrid. Doesn't need to plug in at home, it will charge it as you go. You've got Isofix on the outside 2 seats, half leather interior, nice alloy wheels, rear parking sensors and rear camera. Okay, there's the camera there, look. Nice size boot space. Okay. Been very well looked after. It's got service history, full service history. So it is a lovely car. So if you think you're ready for the hybrid experience and you're up for it, this is ideal for you. So front parking sensors as well. So 15 plate. So let's check the mileage, shall we? Just put a cloth down on the seat. So the bum getting too wet. There we go. Only 51,361 miles. 51361. Okay. So on the stalk there you've got your front and rear washers and also your intimate speed control. Okay, they're auto wash as well. Auto wipes as well. On the other stalk you've got auto lights, as you can see there, and your front and rear fog lights, as well as your indicators. So your lights, and they've got auto as well. Telephone answering on the steering wheel, and volume control, and obviously change the radio station button as well there. And then behind on the steering wheel you've got your cruise control. So you've got your power button, your electric mirrors that also fold in. On the driver's door you've got your central lock-in, your rear window lock, and your front and rear electric windows. Okay, I want to close the door because in a minute I'm going to start it so that you can see. Right, we'll come back to the stereo in a minute. Down here we've got air conditioning, front and rear screen, okay, and you can dual temperature, so like different temperatures either side of the car. Down the bottom here we have a power point and a, where are we? There is USB port. There. As in most hybrids, it's an automatic gearbox, and then you've got your EV mode and your economical mode and your traction control buttons down at the bottom by the handbrake. So let's start this car up. Okay, so this is now on and ready to go. Technically the engine is running, so if I put it into reverse, the reverse camera will come up. I'll take my foot off the brake, take the handbrake off, foot off the brake, and it reverses on the electric. Let's just take it forward again on the electric. Okay, when I touch the accelerator pedal, the engine will cut in. Okay, just so you're fully aware. Right, that will cut it down again in a second, so let's go to the radio. There is no Bluetooth device connected at the moment, but of course you can connect your phone to it. And that's here. Would you like to connect your phone? Here we got this. We'll just push no. That's right. It wants to connect to a phone before it does anything else. Let me just see what else we've got. Here we go, so general display, and set up your Bluetooth. It still wants to set up Bluetooth. Navigation is not available on your system, so it doesn't have sat nav. And then you've got your energy monitoring, so it will show where your car is at energy wise. So now it's ready, so as you can see it's the battery. Okay, and then if I touch the accelerator, it might show that the engine's now going to charge the battery, but it'll all monitor this. There it goes. It all monitors this, so you can keep an eye on how your car's doing. Alright, and then you've got your radio. You can play music through your phone or through the radio. It's a DAB, AM, FM radio. Okay, so let's just turn that all off again. There we go. Coming down, so it's about heater. So nice clean car inside. Let me just turn it off again. Nice clean car inside. If you wish to come and see this car, please give us a call. Come and have a look. Okay. It's one of the first hybrids we've had. So as you noticed by this video, I'm still trying to get used to them. But give us a call, book an appointment, come and have a look, and we'll take any vehicle from part exchange, and we will also help you if you need finance. So give us a call. See you soon down in Wintersham. Bye for now.